Welcome to Morphilm Academy. Today we talk about a fantastic accessory for the Sound Devices Mixpre 10. This is the Korg nanoKONTROL2. So basically, it's a third-party mixing board and controller for your Mixpre 10. Overall, we love it. It fits our needs perfectly and we use it every time we do cart work or any project where the same person is not booming and mixing at the same time. It's a fantastic time saver. Quality-wise, it's plastic, but it feels solid and well made. It has kind of a weight to it. We've been using it for a bit over 2 years and it has worked flawlessly. There are some cons, however, or things we would like improved in the future. First, it still has an old USB mini port. USB-C would be appreciated. Second, the faders are not numbered and they're set up in sort of a confusing way, but numbering them has solved that problem. Third, the faders are not super accurate. They have a slight input delay and have a bit of extra space at the top and bottom that doesn't register. We also wish that the faders had some decibel labels, but all of that honestly doesn't really bother us at this price point. Fourth, some buttons are backlit, but it would be really nice if it were all of them, because in the dark we found it hard to use. And lastly, there's no way to access our mix channels 9 and 10, which would have been very useful since they don't have a fader knob to start with. With all that said, for the price, we think this is a fantastic buy and we highly recommend it. There are other compatible devices, but we found this one had all the features we needed and is super compact. It fits perfectly on our sound cart. Now, here's how we use it. First, we plug it in using this Anchor 4-port USB hub. That way, we can still use the USB backup and a wireless keyboard. Next, make sure your settings are in advanced mode. Also, make sure your shortcuts are set up how you want them. This is our preferred setup. This way, we can quickly adjust the gain with the knobs and use the faders for mixing. You can also quickly arm tracks, mute, solo, start and stop recordings, undo the last take, add markers, and activate the slate mic. Also, if you press cycle and the solo buttons, you can view each channel menu. If you've never used this type of device, you'll discover that it's super practical and fast. It's so much better than doing everything directly on the Mixpre 10. Let us know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching!